It's a hospital that serves Toronto's West End. St. Joseph's Health Centre, part of a Catholic healthcare organization patients depend on. But today those patients were left in the cold because of a boiler problem that left the hospital with no heat and no hot water. Unity Health, which runs St. Joseph's, saying this: St. Joseph's Health Centre is experiencing an unexpected boiler system failure that is affecting hospital operations. This means we currently have no access to hot water, heat, or steam throughout the hospital, which is impacting our ability to provide full services. The hospital honored appointments for cancer care, including chemotherapy, and dialysis patients were treated as well. But when it came to emergency services, it said this: please do not come to St. Joseph's Health Centre Emergency Department unless it is a life-threatening emergency. If you're experiencing a medical emergency, please seek care at an alternative hospital or contact your healthcare provider for guidance. That came as a surprise to this woman who showed up at emergency unwell.
We didn't even check the TV or anything, so I'm not aware of this.
She went in for treatment anyway, telling me her family had been sick for more than a week.
I have a toddler, and me and my husband both are ill, both are sick for last 8 days. Even we are not fit enough to send her to daycare.
We're not aware of anyone turned away after going inside the hospital. Staff brought in heaters to use in the emergency department as the hospital asked family members not to bring in heaters for their family members in rooms for safety reasons, although they said loved ones could bring extra blankets and clothing for family members and friends. Some good news, though, in the last hour. Unity Health says the heat and the hot water is back on, and it's timely because our chief meteorologist, Anthony Farnell, says tonight is going to be the coldest night of this fall. The water will come back on in a staged way, and according to Unity Health, the boiler is not going to be fully operational probably by the end of the weekend. And in the meantime, they're still asking people to stay away from the emergency department unless the emergency is life-threatening. Shalima.
All right, immense relief, no doubt, after such a troubling situation. Thanks for that, Sean.